Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a channel in Teams in Microsoft Teams app. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Microsoft Teams app. Now just click here on Teams, and right here you're gonna see my new company channel, and you just want to click on the three dots here and then manage channels. Then in my new company team, click plus, and you just want to add a channel name, some description, and you can change privacy. So oh god, channel name, YOLO, description, you only live once. Nice. And this is how you create a channel. So yeah. And now if I can see it right here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.